Hi friends, welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Today, we want to talk about our dimensional stock options. If you're looking for solid hardwood and do not have a nearby supplier, our True Stock and 5/4 lumber are great options for your next project. True Stock is 4x1 with length options of 48 inches and 96 inches. These boards provide you with 4 sides of surface material. You do not need a joiner or planer to begin using these in your build. True Stock is great for corner accents, cleats, exposed connectors, table skirts, and more. Our 5/4 lumber is also available in 48-inch or 96-inch boards. It is 6-inch wide with 2 parallel sides. The stock is great because it saves you from having to rip the lumber yourself. A planer or joiner can be used to bring the boards down to size. If you're needing to glue up panels in your workshop, our 5/4 lumber is ideal. We offer dimensional stock in over 10 wood species, including cherry, poplar, black walnut, and white oak. Grab yours today to get started on your next woodworking project. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.